It's soft, it's succulent, it's well cooked, and I'm gonna let you hear a crunch. Hello, 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 my millionaires, my million gang. Welcome back to my channel, guys. I have been monetized. I'm super excited. I want to say a big shout out to you all, my supporters. I want to thank you all for the love and support. I will be doing a specific video shouting out individuals for supporting me to this level on YouTube. Anyway, today I'll be making some cornflakes. Yes, cornflakes fried chicken. I have already seasoned my chicken. I did this from yesterday. It's about 2 pounds in weight. So I did use some ginger, garlic, and pimento. I used chicken seasoning. I used plain ginger seasoning, which I love. Ginger is very good for you. Some aromat, all-purpose seasoning, and paprika, which is going to give it a beautiful color. And I've used some black pepper. Now, the only thing missing from my list today is some garlic powder. So what I will be doing, I have 3 cloves of garlic here, which I will definitely be putting in the oil to give it that garlic flavor. Okay, so let's just get on with it. So okay, so those are the seasonings that I actually used on my chicken. Now what I'll be doing is I'll be beating 2 eggs. I've got my cornflakes here, which it's too thick to coat the chicken like this. So I'll be putting 2 cups in here to beat it out, make it as smooth as possible. And I'll be using 2 cups of flour in a separate bowl. I use plain all-purpose flour. And in the flour, I'll also be putting a bit of my spices to make it flavorful. So I'll put some all-purpose in there, about a teaspoon, and then I'll put some black pepper, about ½ teaspoon, not a lot. I'm just shaking it out, but as you can see, not a lot. And some paprika. This is what gives the chicken that beautiful, beautiful color. And then this is about a teaspoon of paprika. Don't want to use too much. So then, guys, I'm going to make sure that this is mixed properly to combine all my dry ingredients here. This looks like it's all done. Nope. Some lumps of paprika is still in there, which I need to beat out. This thing, I think I put too much in there, but I'll take my time. I'll definitely take my time and crush it. You could also put the cornflakes in a bag and then you beat it. I think it's easier and you will not waste any. Or you can put it in a blender. I've transferred the cornflakes into this Ziploc bag where it's going to be easier for me to break it up. You could also put it in your blender and blend it out quite quickly to get it as fine as possible. You need the cornflakes to coat the chicken. Once I finish with the cornflakes, then I'm going to beat my 2 eggs. Egg. It's raining today quite heavily. I'm at home and definitely I feel for some fried chicken. Quick, easy, crispy cornflakes chicken. I have 2 ways I can do this. So I can dip the chicken in the egg, the flour, then the cornflakes, and then fry it. Or I can now pour the egg all over the chicken, which is an easier option that I just take them out and go to the next stage. So I will be doing that. This is optional, and this is whole milk. I normally add a bit of whole milk to my eggs. And then I'm going to pour this all over the chicken. And guys, you can also do this and leave it overnight. You can do what I'm doing now and leave it overnight like this in the egg, milk and seasoning. Chicken then will absorb more of the liquid overnight. I'm going to leave the chicken sitting in this mixture for about 10 minutes and then I'll come right back. Alright, I've got my 2 cups of cornflakes in this, which I'm going to make sure I beat it out until flakes have been broken up to my satisfaction. I don't want the flakes too big. Smaller, the better. You can beat it to how small you want your cornflakes. I'm just gonna put the cornflakes in a bowl. I've just put the pot on the cooker and I've put generous amount of cooking oil because basically I'm gonna deep fry the chickens. So I want that oil to get very hot and then I add my garlic and then I will remove the garlics because the garlics will burn, and all I want is for the garlic to flavor the oil because I do not have powdered garlic today. So you know how it goes, you have to improvise. Make sure all the paprika and stuff is broken up so I don't have any lumps in this one. And guys, an even easier way to just like how instead of dipping the chicken in the eggs and stuff, I have just added the eggs to the chicken so it soaks. I can just take it up and fry it. Another easier way is to add the cornflakes to the flour and you just dip and fry. And I think that's what I'm gonna do today. You know, and just mix cornflakes and the flour together, crumble it all out. Mix the cornflakes and the flour. You know, the cornflakes give the chicken a nice crunch. Mix cornflakes and flour together. So it gives it a nice crunch. And this mixture is supposed to be enough to coat that chicken. Okay? So yes guys, that's the 2 pegs of garlic. I've got another one left, which I will use halfway through fried. So I'm just gonna start off with these 2. Alright? I've just removed the garlics from the oil. This is my chicken. So I'm just gonna quickly coat the chicken in this mixture and then drop it in the oil. Coat it properly in your cornflakes and flour. Guys, make sure it's now, since I've started putting in the chicken, I've now turned it down to medium heat. But can still hold another piece of chicken. Turn it down to medium heat. Sure the chicken. So these are the pieces of chicken on medium heat at the moment, and I'm just gonna let them stay there and cook through properly. We'll put the other set in, but I'm not gonna do all that on camera, so I'll show you once I have finished cooking my crispy cornflakes chicken. Now that the chickens are cooking nicely and slowly, they have all been flipped on the other side. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cover the pot to give it like a steaming effect, and not for very long though, and then I remove the cover again. Alright, my chicken have been cooking now for a while. I'm going to remove the fully cooked pieces. straight through these. And see the color that the paprika gave chicken.